Over 4.74 billion people are on social media today, so it can be challenging to grow your accounts and connect with your fans on these platforms. These game-changing social media secrets for beginners will skyrocket your brand on social media. Number 11. Identify your goals and KPIs. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are benchmarks that help measure the success of your campaigns. While your goals are the desires you wish to achieve by opening a social media account on any platform for your brand. The best social media marketing goals are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. Your goals must be SMART, helping you focus your energy in the right direction and avoid mistakes. Here are some SMART goals to consider. Increase brand awareness and sentiment. Drive relevant traffic, lead generation, and increase in revenue. Build and grow an online community with your fans. Improve customer service. Similarly, other KPIs to consider are engagement, impressions, clicks, reach, revenue, video plays, follower count, customer testimonials, posting frequency, and so on. Number 10. Research and learn about your audience. Creating any campaign without first knowing and understanding your audience is a waste of money and time. You must understand your audience inside and out, and how you can position your brand to solve their needs, desires, and wants through social media. So, how can you understand your audience? Consider demographics like location, age, education, occupation, income level, and relationship status. Engage in conversations on forums your target audience uses. Respond to comments on your website and on other blogs with the same target audience. Collect feedback routinely. Use social media research tools like HubSpot. Number 9. Choose the right platforms. This is arguably the most difficult decision when creating a social media strategy for your brand. There are a lot of great choices to pick from: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and many others. It's easier when you understand your target audience's behaviors. Doing this gives you a cheat sheet for their preferred social media platforms. Your content format is also important to consider. Every platform delivers content uniquely. For example, TikTok is perfect for video-oriented content, while LinkedIn is better for text-oriented content. Ultimately, the choice is yours to make. Step 8. Brand and optimize your profiles. There are over 2 billion users on Instagram, 2.95 billion on Facebook, 400 million on X, and 310 million on LinkedIn. So, how can you stand out from the crowd so your target audience can easily find you? The answer is easy: consistent branding across your social media platforms and optimizing your profile. Here are ways to brand and optimize your social profiles. Upload your brand logo and color variations across all platforms. Have a uniform business description. All of your content must reflect your brand identity, voice, tone, and promise. Identify keywords trending in your niche and include them in your descriptions. Use relevant hashtags popular among your potential customers. Link your profiles to your main website. Include concise calls to action. Number 7. Develop relevant content and messaging. Carefully craft your content with the right copy, voice, visuals, and message that resonates with your target audience. Content for baby boomers must differ from those for Generation Z or millennials. If done right, it will help build customer loyalty, increase brand awareness, and establish your brand as an industry expert on social media. Check out our recent video on the easy content marketing strategies you can implement to make your brand shine on social media. Number 6. Create a content schedule. Social media marketing is growing very fast, and keeping up with the pace can be challenging, especially when you have other aspects of your business to focus on. This is where content batching and scheduling come in handy. Luckily, most social media platforms allow post scheduling. We recommend you create and schedule a week's worth of posts all at once, while you use the rest of the week to focus on other tasks needed for your business to grow. You must also set aside time to reply to comments and messages promptly. Remember, engagement and customer satisfaction are crucial to a successful social media marketing campaign. You cannot create a loyal community if you do not let your followers know their contributions matter. Number 5. Monitor your competition. Social media allows you to see what your competitors are doing in real time. You only need to pay attention and identify what's working for them and how you can incorporate that into your strategy. There are several automated tools to track your competitors and extract their real-time data. However, monitoring is different from copying. Instead, it gives you access to valuable information, including their mistakes and successes, that can help you improve your social media marketing strategy. Important parts to monitor from your competitors are: which platforms do they use? What type of content do they post? How often do they post? What are their results? What's their ad budget? You can also learn about their products, services, and offers. Tracking tools like Hootsuite, HubSpot, and Sprout Social are good places to start. These tools have free trial versions so you can begin to determine if they can help you achieve your goals. Number 4, look for inspiration elsewhere. This comes in handy if your competitors aren't on social media or if you aren't a fan of their campaign style. Look elsewhere for campaigns that inspire you and have achieved the results you desire. Study them and determine how to incorporate elements such as their messaging, style, engagement level, and aesthetic into your campaign. Again, remember you are modeling, not copying. Drawing inspiration doesn't replace creativity when crafting your content for social media. Number 3, leverage paid social media ads. With more businesses embracing social media marketing, these platforms are making it harder to reach your customers organically. For example, you might have 2,000 followers on Instagram, but only 10% see your posts. That's a lot of money you're leaving on the table. The best way to address this is through paid social media ads. Consider boosting your posts to reach as many people in your target market as possible. However, paid advertising can be tricky, especially if you don't know how to set your ad audience. So don't waste your money. Learn how to run paid ads before you start one. Be sure that you also balance your promotional and non-promotional content. No one wants to be constantly sold to. Your followers and fans will be more engaged if you are more helpful than promotional with your content. Number 2, analyze your performance. Once you know your goals and KPIs, you need to track and analyze them to know how your campaign is performing. The insights you get from your analysis will help you identify the top content from your campaign and how you can repurpose it to achieve even better results and keep the momentum going. The results can also serve as a good starting point for future campaigns. Number 1, embrace social media marketing tools. Most of these tools have trial versions and can help automate your efforts, helping you achieve more quickly. The best social media marketing strategies include tools that measure post engagements, find ideas for new and relevant content, analyze campaigns' effectiveness, monitor competitors, aid content scheduling and customer engagements, and more. However, having many social media marketing tools doesn't automatically mean you will have a successful social media marketing campaign. There is more to social media marketing than just posting random content on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Try all these marketing tips and watch your business soar on social media. Have any more questions? Don't hesitate to ask in the comments. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. Hopefully this video helps you grow from a beginner social media marketer into a pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch our latest video here.